Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to create a course on Teachable and sell it. So the first step is to go to teachable.com and create your account. Then you'll have to simply go to courses here and then simply click on create course. And then here you have to enter the course name. So I'm going to enter something random and then simply click on continue. Then here you have to simply choose if you want to build from scratch or generate with AI or bulk upload. As you can see, upload multiple files to generate your outline. And here you have manually enter your course outline, and here create your outline by providing a simple description. So let's say course about make money, and then simply click on generate, and now the AI will help us with the outline and everything in between. And as you can see, it took like 5 seconds. So click on continue with this outline. Of course, you can edit it if you want. Now here you have to simply uh, add your files, your videos, or images, and then simply click on preview. And this is how you're gonna look your course. As you can see, all the pages and everything. And then what you have to do is simply click on publish. Here, as you can see, lesson published. And then you'll have to simply go to pricing, and then here you can create a pricing plan for your course. So let's say you want to have one-time purchase payment plan or subscriptions. I'm gonna go with one-time payment. It's gonna be like $10. Here the name, here a subtitle and a short description, and then click on add the pricing plan, and basically that's all. So as you can see, you'll have to pay $10 for your course, and then you'll have to go to course setup and then simply click on publish your course, and that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.